You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this Hawaiian given name, meaning ocean or the sea. If you want to learn more names from the Pacific Islands and Hawaii in particular, and how to correctly pronounce Hawaii too, make sure to stay tuned. Moana, Hawaiian pronunciation Moana, Moana. In English, similarly, the pronunciation is as Moana. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.